So, yeah, pretty good at UVI today.
Yeah.
And again, the globe is on fire. I'm going to get rid of you.
Again? Or still?
Still. It's just a little more than yesterday. Some poo-poo people have said that I'm reporting hot spots. These are definitely not hot spots we're looking at. Want to see?
Are you making a video?
Yeah, I'm making a video. How you doing, baby?
Wildfires continued to rage across Europe on Thursday. In Croatia, authorities deployed firefighting aircraft and dozens of firefighters and soldiers to try and contain 3 major wildfires.
I showed you Siberia's on fire, 4 times the size of Texas.
Thousands of people were evacuated in Turkey's southwestern Dakta Peninsula as firefighters battled to contain
this has been going on for quite some time.
That spread to residential areas overnight. Countries including France and Portugal, suffering from a second heatwave in as many months, have been hit by a series of wildfires.
Last month they were evacuating South Spain and Central Spain.
Climate change is
now
making
Portugal.
Heatwaves more likely and more severe. Elsewhere in Europe, thousands of firefighters battled more than 20 blazes that raged on Wednesday across Portugal and western Spain, menacing villages and disrupting tourist holidays amid a heatwave that
look, the trees are on fire, not the grass.
113 degrees Fahrenheit in some parts of
Did
the
you
region.
see that?
Meanwhile, on the Greek island of Samos, making heatwaves more likely and more severe.
Trees are on fire, people. Watch.
Thousands of firefighters battled
it ain't the grass.
blazes that raged on Wednesday across Portugal and western Spain, menacing villages and disrupting tourist holidays amid a heatwave that pushed temperatures above 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm not guessing about this.
Meanwhile, on the Greek island of Samos, 2 people died on Wednesday after a helicopter fighting a forest fire crashed into the sea, a Greek Coast Guard official said. Greece is also plagued by wildfires every year due to hot and dry weather conditions. The European Union is sending some 200 firefighters from various countries in Europe to assist the country throughout the summer, with human-caused climate change triggering droughts. The number of extreme wildfires is expected to increase 30% within the next 28 years. That's according to a February 2022 UN report.
Of course. The red and blue Kachina are causing that.
James Webb Space Telescope. And while these images are beautiful, we wanted to understand them better. So we asked an astronomer.
The Washburn fire in central California has now scorched 4,700 acres across Yosemite National Park. According to park officials, the fire is 27% contained with more than 1,500 firefighters on site. The fire is claiming parts of the Sierra National Forest, park officials say. The threat to the area's famous sequoia trees remains a major concern.
Imagine that.
Some of the tree trunks were wrapped in fire-resistant foil to protect them from fire. The fire could take weeks to be fully extinguished because it's happening in difficult terrain.
So then there was this today. See the field line going around the object to another object. And then becoming entangled with both objects. That was new. Said all these bigger ones behind us are starting to catch the pressure too now. Smaller ones have been showing for a while. You can see them at night. They're there. Go look in your north horizon. North horizon. Don't make me repeat it. They're huge. Blocking the stars out. North horizon. At night. Stars everywhere but there. Have fun. that's actually funny.